Hello everyone, my name is Maria Josefa Bilapira, or you can call me Marge for short. I graduated at the University of the East Manila here in the Philippines with a bachelor's degree in elementary education with specialization in special education. I am a special education teacher at the Kalumpit Central School here in the Philippines for 11 years now and have been catering learners with intellectual disability, learning disability, autism, ADHD, and hearing impairment. Well, as an experienced teacher, I make sure that I make my class fun, engaging, and very interactive. I think out of the box and used to create my own learning materials, my own teaching materials in order to cater all the needs and the abilities of my learners. Also, I utilize differentiated instruction and teaching to accommodate the different needs of my learners and their own uniqueness. I am very adaptive and very flexible. I am also very passionate and very dedicated to my craft, which I believe will make me achieve my dream to become a teacher in the US. I know that I can expand my learning, my skills, and my abilities as a teacher through teaching in a multicultural country, most especially the US. Teaching in the USA, again, is my dream because I know that USA can help me enhance my knowledge and skills in dealing with my learners in special education class. Well, that's all about me. Thank you so much. Bye.